You are about to watch some of the most powerful, life changing testimonials from my clients. Hi, I'm Laura Reich. And if you're like me, you want to work with someone who has a proven track record of success. That's why I am so stinking excited to share these video testimonials with you. I want you to take a moment first to consider what is it costing you to stay where you are right now, hoping that the new and right solution will fall into place for your agency, or that you'll finally implement the strategy that will change your revenue profits forever. Time, money, and energy are all precious commodities. And when you're stuck in a rut, it can feel like you're hemorrhaging all three. But there is a way out. And that's why I created a method to create a cash infusion in your business without having to recreate your whole internal structure. One of my clients I helped in the past brought in a cash infusion of $13,500 with her team only having to implement a few hours of work for the full 90-day strategy. And it's easy for any business with an online presence and proven offers. Take a listen to some of the clients we've helped in the past.
If you are already finding success on Facebook, on Instagram, even on LinkedIn, and you want to think about adding an extra stream out there with your content to bring in leads, Pinterest is an awesome option for that. And you may not want to learn an entire other platform. And that's where we were at. Pinterest is cool. I don't want to learn it. So, Laura and her team put together the most awesome, detailed list of exactly how we can create content, take our content that's actually already created and reposition it for Pinterest. So, everything from keywords to exactly how to set up the boards, all of this. It's seriously awesome. And the way that it's presented is just so clear, so organized, so that my team can take it and they can go put this into our Pinterest account. I'm super excited about this whole guide that we have from them with step-by-step instructions. It is so clear and everything is just positioned so well for our team to be able to go in, grab this information and implement it with her support, her feedback. I just am so excited to see the continued success and results we'll be getting. So, if you're looking for another stream, Pinterest is the way to go. And Laura is the one to set it up for you. It is awesome. So grateful for Laura and her whole team. They're just amazing. So, talk to them. Go do this. Okay. Bye. And if we've never met, by the way, my name is Molly Mahoney. My company is The Prepared Performer, and we help entrepreneurs, business owners, experts to be able to grow and monetize their visibility using video and social media. So you may be thinking, like, if that's what you're helping people to do, why would you do this on Pinterest? And I think it's because there's these opportunities out there everywhere. So we might as well be taking advantage of them. And I'm just so grateful for Laura as our go to Pinterest expert because, like I said, I don't want to learn it. You can't actually learn everything. So it's great to have someone like Laura and her whole team in our court to be able to give us all of the clarity, the exact direction. And it's just so awesome. Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye.